that there is a star over here, right? And can we convert this star into the delta? So rest of the diagram is same. Now we can convert from star to delta. Did you remember the formulas? So 6 ohm as it is, 10 ohm as it is, 15 ohm as it is. Now how will we convert from star delta? That is, as you can see that 2 is connected between 6 and 10, right? So with the help of formulas you can convert. Now further see, we need to calculate the resistance across A and B, right? So as you can see these, hmm, 2, 4, 3, you need to convert it into delta, right? So that would be 2 uh, plus 4 plus 2 into 4 divided by, this would be 2 plus 3 plus 2 into 3 divided by 4. This one would be 4 plus 3 plus 3 into 2 divided by 4, right? Into 4 divided by 2. Yes. Okay. Now as you can see that these resistances are connected in parallel. These two resistances are also connected in parallel. These two resistances are also connected in parallel. Let's redraw the diagram again. Now the circuit looks like this. Now as you can see, if you will see from terminal A and if you will see from terminal B, so these two resistance, they are in the same path or at the different path? If they are in the same path, then that means they are connected in series, right? Again, redraw the diagram. Now as you can see clearly, these two resistances are connected in parallel, right? Okay. Now let's see how can we calculate the resistance between A and N, right? In the previous case, we need to calculate A and B. Now we need to calculate across the terminal A and N, right? So we can't touch A and N, we can touch rest of the terminals, correct? This is delta. Can we convert it into star? Hmm? After converting it, what would be the diagram? The diagram looks like this. Now these two terminals are then after that again this one is also delta, this one is also delta. Can we convert all the three delta into star?